SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to clear history on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to delete the history of web pages that you visited in the Safari browser on your iPhone, then there's two different ways that you can do it. The first option is to open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Safari option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again until you find the Clear History and Website Data button. Note that if you get here and this button is gray, then it likely means that you have something turned on in screen time called content and privacy restrictions, or if your phone is managed by a school, business, or organization, then they may have something set up that's preventing you from deleting this history. But as long as this button is blue, then you can tap on it, and then you can choose the time frame of the history that you want to delete, and you can also choose whether or not to close your open tabs. Once you've configured these settings the way that you want, simply tap Clear History, and it's going to delete your history and website data. As I mentioned earlier, if this button is grayed out, then you can go back to the main settings menu, scroll up until you find the screen time option, and then you can select that, then scroll down and choose content and privacy restrictions, and then you just need to make sure that this is turned off. Now, the second way that you can delete your history in Safari is to go back and find the Safari icon on your home screen, and then you can tap that, which should take you to a page or an open web page in the browser. If it takes you to the tab page, then just select any tab. Once you're on a single web page tab, you can tap the book icon at the bottom of the screen, and then you can choose the clock icon at the top of this screen, which is your history tab. Once you can see your history, you can delete individual pages from your history by swiping left on one of them and tapping the trash can icon, or you can touch the clear button at the bottom right, which is going to bring up a similar looking menu to what we saw before, and here you can choose whether or not to close all your tabs and the time frame of the history that you want to delete. And once you've made those selections, just tap Clear History to delete the history from your iPhone 15 Pro.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.